Hi and welcome back to another video. This time, I will be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 12.4 and above iOS devices using checkra1n. Firstly, you'll need a Mac for this jailbreak. Download the installation file from the checkra1n website. Open the DMG file, drag the checkra1n app to Applications. Then, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. With checkra1n, it is now easier to jailbreak older devices. So, what do you think of this jailbreak? Do tell me in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, hit like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!